Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Like Tasty Kitchen. So today we are going to see something really sweet. We have seen how to make cake in our previous videos. So today we are going to see how to make cupcakes. So Christmas is also coming. So let's see how to make these sweet cupcakes. One cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Add half cup of cocoa powder. Add half teaspoon of salt. And now mix all them together and sift them using a sifter. Add 1/3 cup of oil. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Beat them with a beater. Now add 1 cup of sugar and again beat them well. Take a cupcake tray and place the cupcake cover and then pour the batter. Then sprinkle the nuts over the batter. Take a pressure cooker and add rock salt and spread it into the pan. Place the holder over the pan's surface and carefully place the cupcake tray over the holder and close the lid. Cook it for 45 minutes on low flame. Take a toothpick and place it on the cake and see whether it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. So we made cupcake in this video. It was really easy. We can use pressure cooker without this ovens because many of us don't have ovens. So this is really easy to make these cupcakes. So do try it at your home and let us know how was it and how did you feel making yourself a cake. So see you on next video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page. See you on next video. Until that, good day.